Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to build the login form and the login function to go to the dashboard. We go to code on admin on login blade.php and we go to we put the name, give the name to input field, to input type email field, name call email, and password name, password, and checkbox name, remember, and value called true. Save the file. Now you go to the route file, it's web, go to route, and we go to the route post, out controller class, it's submit, login, out login, out login, authentication login, and we go to the route controller to see to implement the route controller. Public function on login request $request and we implement the route login auth login to check the requirement of the login username and password. Now we check the DD and check the request or to implement to check the file that we enter the form. admin@gmail.com, password 123, and check it, sign in. Now we pay expire, so we check it. Web controller output, we check this one. Get both auth controller class, auth login, and we go to auth controller, auth login function, auth login request dd return okay, sign in. Pay expire. If we have that, oh, before we go there, we need to add the csrf or f field to make it token. crf or f field, the field that required by the Laravel, and save, and go again, and password 1 2 3, refresh the form. Yeah, it's so because we don't use this one. If we don't use, not see, so it protect form from the Laravel framework. Please remember. Okay, it's so true. Now we go to the function logout controller to implement the function out controller. We check the remember is equal empty request or request remember is the name from the checkbox. If not empty, it return true and return false. We check one condition, check auth attempt email equal to request from user sign in, password from request user sign in the form, and it's user tick remember it's this one, remember. So when the user tick enter the correct email and correct password, it return to redirect to backend and dashboard. L return redirect back with error. Please enter current email and password. Now when the user attempt to enter the email and password, it redirects to backend. If the email and password right with in the database. Now we go to check. We want to test is user it's sign in. It's not, it's error because auth controller is not added yet. Now use auth and we test again. Yes, not see. Now I add the message. When the user is not correct, it shows the message error. Now I add the new blade file it's called message.blade.php. This message is we implement if empty section success. If empty, new class alert. Success. And it calls section success. And if now I copy this one, it's faster than it change to error and it's changed to danger, and I need to add one more row is called alert. It also row it's called alert, and this one change to error. Save the file and go to login again, and we add this one, include message to show the file, to show the message alert, not the file. Yes, and go to check again and plop. Now I don't need message save and our controller. Oh yes. Now we go to database to see localhost and to see password modify, and we go to the app post and user, no user. Now we add instructor like insert admin password admin@gmail.com. Password I put only this one for the first tab, and this one, and this one. Okay, now go to check again. I think it's not correct, it's not working yet. Now odd attempt email password return error if and return with error, back with error. Remember empty odd attempt email request email password remember return back to backend direct back with error. Now I refresh the admin sign in, not show the message error. Okay, go to check the, now add some I add one file. It's a dashboard. Go to view and new folder, backend, and go to the new file, dashboard.blade.php, h1 dashboard, save file and refresh the page. Sign in. It's not working well. One more check. Save, maybe not save yet, or what? Auth login. I want to check the function again, and web route. It's not auth login. Yeah, box auth controller class. Okay. Check one more time. Now I check the login plan. Message, name, email, name, password, remember name, value true, and submit, sign in, method post. Okay, csrf field, it's correct. Now we go to login, and before we need, I want to show you to its error. So when we type it's wrong, it not show nothing, it show nothing. Now I want to change it's login. Yes, please enter current username password. Now we go to the right password. It sign in, it show the backend dashboard. Now we go to the web and route to route, create new route, get to backend dashboard and call dashboard controller class index. In dashboard controller, we don't have dashboard controller, so we add new dashboard controller by type php artisan make controller dashboard controller. Now dashboard controllers create successfully. You know this one. Dashboard controller create successfully. Create new function, public function, index, and index is return to view dashboard backend. Yeah, backend folder dashboard. File. Now we check the dashboard in backend. Yeah, backend dashboard we already created, and we refresh. Yeah, site is not working because we need to run the server again and refresh. it's error. Why it's error? Because dashboard controller is not exist. We go to web to use app http controller dashboard controller, save file and refresh. It's bank exception, handle exception in that public reply from where. Now I want to check the code again. IDP controller dashboard controller. It's this one not correct. Yeah. Refresh the page. Yeah, it's working fine.